Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is June 5th. We have got the grain markets setting back to start the morning. Now, corn down 2 1/4, beans down about 3, wheat down 3 cents as well. That changed right at 7:30. So once again, the dollar is running the show here today. We had economic data showing a big increase as far as jobs numbers this morning. They were expecting to see an increase of about 227,000. We got an increase of 280. So the dollar started to rally. We saw a sharp move right at 7:30. The dollar right now up $1.10. A lot of concerns now, and a lot of guys saying, hey, we've increased jobs quite a bit. Our economy's on a roll. Does this give Janet Yellen the green light to increase rates? If so, that'll be tightening on funds. That is friendly for the dollar, and that's got the dollar moving higher once again. So are we going to be playing more of this macro picture for the grains today? It does seem that way, at least early this morning. If that dollar does continue to go up, that should end up putting pressure on grains. We've seen a good rally for corn, beans, and wheat, and we may give some of that back here today if that dollar can stay strong. Still watching more of this, as I mentioned, more of the macro picture. So that should still exist here today. Funds are heavily short right now. They may stay that way, but the market's still waiting to see when are we going to see a lot of the short covering. We could get a good bounce at some point when these funds decide I just don't want to be as short anymore. But right now they're still short quite a few contracts, and we'll see if they do remain that way here today with a stronger dollar. Rains across the Corn Belt over the weekend. We've got some warmer temperatures following that, and as of right now in certain areas, that's what we need to see. Right, I guess looking into Monday, good to excellent ratings probably are going to at least be steady to maybe even improve with this heat that has moved in. But we'll take a look at that here on Monday morning. Looking at livestock, cattle right now mixed. Box beef coming in kind of mixed. Choice down 80, select up 71. But we have seen quite a hit this week as far as box beef. Not a lot of cattle news out there. Nothing as far as cash traded as of yet. This jobs report, though, may be supportive for cattle, at least early on. But when you look at this bigger picture this week, kills are down 11% from last year's levels. And packers right now putting on the brakes and really slowing things down. So that may have more of a bearish tone here up front. Hogs are up 30 cents right now. Cutout values jumping 34 overnight. We saw a sharp decline yesterday as far as hogs. Seasonally, we do see more of a bounce in here at this time of year. So we'll see if we get some support and maybe some short covering to finish out the week. But starting things off just a little bit better. Stock market down 57 after a sharper decline yesterday. You got crude oil down 50 cents right now. The dollar, as I mentioned, $1.10 higher. Very strong for the dollar. Good move. And then metals are working lower with the increase for the dollar. Give us a call if you have questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you have a great day. Have a good weekend. Go Blackhawks, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Take care.